Let's factor linear expressions. A linear expression is in a factored form when it is expressed as the product of its factors. And example 1, factor 5x plus 10. We use the great common factor to factor the linear expression. So we write 5x as 5 times x and 10 as 5 times 2. So we circle the common factor. In this case, the common factor is 5. So we rewrite this expression 5x plus 10 as these two factors, 5x plus 5 times 2, 5 times 2. Then we use distributive property and extract this 5 and write it here, open the parentheses, and add these two expressions, x and 2, x plus 2. So 5 times x plus 2 is going to be my final answer of this expression, 5x plus 10 factored. 5x plus 10 equals 5 times x plus 2. Why? Because if we do distributive property here, 5 times x plus 5 times 2, we're going to have 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 2 is going to be 10. We have the original expression. In this case, it's going to be factored. Let's go to example number 2. Factor 3x plus 8. So we're going to write 3x as 3 times x. I'm going to write 8 as 2 times 2 times 2. However, in this case, we don't see any common factors. Since they don't have common factors, then this expression cannot be factored, and we write cannot be factored. Let's go now to the exercises. Factor each expression. If the expression cannot be factored, write cannot be factored. So let's go to the first one. I have 5x plus 10. Let's write 15x as 5 times 3. And let's write 10, the other term, as 5 times 2. Which is the common factor? 5. So we're going to write this expression as 5, the common factor, times the remaining factors, 3 plus 3x plus 2. And this is the expression factored. Let's go to the next one, 7x minus 3. I can factor 7x as 7 times x, and 3 as 3 times 1. In this case, we don't have common factors, so this one cannot be factored. Okay? Let's go to the next, number 3. 6x plus 9. Let's rewrite 6x as 3 times 2 times x. And let's write 9 as 3 times 3. Well, in this case, we have common factor, the factor 3. Let me round it here. So I'm going to rewrite the expression as. First, we write the common factor. We open the parentheses and add the remaining factors. 2x, in this case, plus 3. And this is my expression factored. This expression, 6x plus 9, factored as 3 times 2x plus 3. Let's go to the next, 30x minus 25. Let's write 30x as 5 times 6 times x. And let's write 25 as 5 times 5. We can see right away that this is my common factor. I'm going to rewrite this expression as the common factor 5, open the parentheses, write this one 6x. Now you see that it's a minus sign, so this one is going to be a minus sign, minus the remaining one, 5. And this is my factor expression for number 4. Let's do number 5. Let's write 13x as 13 times x, and 14 we can write as 7 times 2. In this case, we don't have any common factors, any number that is the same in this one and this one, so this one cannot be factored. Cannot be factored. Okay, let's go to the next page. I'm going to do the first one, and here to factor this one or this one, let's try number 2. Let's see, 10x, we can rewrite it as 5 times 2 times x, and 25, we can rewrite it as 5 times 5. We have the same common factor here. And we're going to rewrite it as 5 times 2x. Since this is plus, we're going to put the same sign plus, and 5, the remaining factor here. Okay, and this is it for today.